Hey guys, I don't think I've mentioned this before, but you might have picked up on it already. I own two Zs. So that one right there, I've done a lot of work on. It's my E85 Z4. This is one that I got last year, I think it was. Anyway, it's my E89 Z4. But today isn't about a comparo between those two, although I am thinking about doing that in the future. They're both great cars, but in actually surprisingly different ways. Today is just all about wheel fitment for this one. And previously I did a video where I did different wheel offsets for the E85, staggered them with spacers, staggered them on stock, staggered them on, just different custom wheels. And today, it's gonna be really simple. I'm gonna take off the stock wheels on the E89, swap on the 35 offset versions I have on the E85, and that should punch it out a little bit wider for this one. So if you'd like to see what it looks like at the end, hang with me, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so let me show you first what we're dealing with. As we walk around the car, you can see, for instance, the front wheels tuck in there really quick. Now these are with the stock wheels, and then the back ones, in my opinion, they're just way too far in there. Sometimes I wonder if it's hard to catch, fitment. But everybody has their own style they like. I like it when it's almost flush with the exterior of the car. This is what it looks like with the stock fitment. As for the back, you can just tell it's made to have a bigger tire than that. Okay. So for some comparison, here's, I don't know, there's just a lot of room, okay? It's hard to capture, but there's a lot of room. We're gonna put on my other wheels, and I am confident it will take up a lot more space. But even then, I think I could use wider wheels than what I even have right now. Okay, that's just for spinning the wheels. Okay, here's the aftermarket wheels on it. It has pushed it out quite a bit more. It looks a lot better in my opinion. I think it could use even more. So this is with 35 offset. We got 9.5 in the back and 8.5 in the front. Just got back from the test drive, and it feels great. There's a little bit of give and take here. So on the bigger, fatter rims in the back, it feels a lot more planted when doing lane changes and when taking corners. The front, though, having a little bit more, more grip in the front is certainly welcome, but having a little bit larger aspect ratio, a thicker tire top to bottom, it does give it a little less feel, which the E89 already could use more fuel than anyway, but overall definitely an upgrade. And this is great. It looks great. It's in the right direction. I've got more plans for it.